After you wash dishes or do anything in the sink, do you always have water from your sponges and your scrub brushes pooling around the back of your faucet? Sometimes it gets into the grout in between, sometimes it gets in the caulk in between your countertops and it can get gross and moldy. We were experiencing that with ours, and one of the things that we got that has helped save us from that is this little silicone mat. What's great is you put your sponge right on here. You put your scrub brushes. Like I have this round scrub brush and the sponge, and we throw that right on here, and it catches all the excess water, and it elevates the sponge and the scrub brushes so they don't get gross sitting in a pool of water. And then all you have to do to clean it up is throw it in the dishwasher. It's even super easy to rinse out in the sink. It's a really great tool to help keep all of that water spill from getting all over your counters and concentrating it into this nice silicone mat. So I would definitely recommend